Hi guys, today I'm back here at the house. Want to make a short video about my next project I'm going to. It's my old motorcycle. It stopped running for whatever reason, so I have to check on it. Let me show you what it is. So this is my motorcycle here, and the problem I have, let's open the cover here so we can look into it. It's an electrical problem, and there are some wires here. This one was burned off down there, right? This one, I don't even know if this one belongs there or not, but it's definitely an electric problem, and that's what I try to figure out. So stay tuned. It's gonna be like next couple of days I'm gonna go into it and try to figure out what it is, because it hurts me. It's a nice motorcycle. I was driving it for a while until it just stopped. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you later.